Now, before we put the valve caps back on, we're going to replace the seal kit with the new parts. Our seal kit number is 1001.9137. We're going to reuse the brass retainers, but we're going to replace the soft parts in the kit. Let's check to make sure we've got all the parts we need. Got a total of 6 seals, 3 O-rings, and 3 spacers. I'm going to take a retainer and a dental pick. I'm going to carefully remove the O-ring. I'll wipe the retainer down, removing the spacer, putting a new O-ring on, placing my spacer. Now I'll do the next 2.